Hi students, how are you? I hope you are doing good. Okay, we have completed every part. Okay, for you I have completed simple future and also verb forms. Today we are going to take the revision part of all that we have completed. Okay, we are going to take the revision part of everything we have completed. Okay, yes, we completed simple future. Nana, we completed simple future and also verb forms. Okay, verb forms. Some of verb forms. Okay, we completed simple future and also verb forms. Okay. So today we are going to revise everything. Okay, we are going to revise everything. So what is simple future? Nana? Yes. We use simple future to tell about the future. Okay? To tell about the future from now or during the future time. Okay? We use simple future for the future time from now. Okay? If you want to say something in the future, we will use will or shall. Okay? So what is the structure of simple future? Subject, will or shall plus V1 plus object by complement. Okay, this is the structure of simple future. Okay, this is the structure of simple future. Subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object by complement. Okay, this is the structure of simple future. Okay, so we use simple future to tell about the future from now. Okay, if we want to say something in the future from now, we will use simple future. Okay. So what is simple future, Nana? You already know what a simple future is, and I also wrote the structure of subject, will or shall plus V1 plus object by complement. Okay, object or complement. This is the structure of simple future. Okay, now we will see some examples of simple future. I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. This is simple future. Okay, how can we say that it is simple future? Yes, the sentence will have will word. Okay, if there is a will word, we can simply say that it is a simple future. Okay, another example. I will drink coffee at your home. I will drink coffee at your home. Okay, how can we say that it is a simple future? Yes, there is a will. Okay, with the word will, with this we can understand that it is a simple future. Okay, one more example. Okay, I will ask him next time. I will ask him next time. So this is the simple future. Okay. So, for example, this is now I will write simple past where we have to transfer it to simple future. Okay. I ate mango. This is I ate mango. Simple past. Okay. You will use V2 verb. Okay, V2 form of the verb. Okay, I ate mango. This is simple past. Okay, this is I ate mango. The action completed. Okay, the action completed. I ate mango. this is a simple past. Now we are going to change it into a simple future structure. Okay. I ate mango is the simple past. I will eat mango is the simple future. Okay, simple future. So like that we will do some more examples. Okay. Raghu came late. Okay, Raghu came late. How can this is simple past? Simple past. Okay, how can we change this simple past into simple future? Okay, how can we change this simple past into simple future? Raghu will come late. Okay, Raghu will come late. So we change simple past, okay, into simple future. See that, Nana? We change simple past into simple future. Okay, simple future. Okay. Another example. So she saw him in the kitchen. She saw him in the kitchen. This is simple past. How can we say that it is a simple past? The verb is in V2. Okay. Simple past. Simple past. Now we will change this simple past into simple future. Okay? She will see him in the kitchen. She will see him in the kitchen. So this is simple future. This is simple future. This is simple past and this is simple future. Okay? In simple past you will see the verb to, V2 form of the verb. Okay? She saw him in the kitchen. But in the future, you will see the V1 of the verb. V1 of the verb. V1, V2. Okay? The verb is in V1. Here, the verb is V2. This is simple past and this is simple future. Okay? Now you know the structure of simple future and how to change simple past into simple future. Okay? Now you know how to transform simple past into simple future. Okay. Another topic. Okay students, another topic. Our another topic is verb forms. Verb forms. Okay? Verb forms. So, verb forms. What are they? Verb forms. Okay? So, you know children, what is a verb? A verb is a word which says the action of a noun or pronoun. A verb is a word which says the action of a noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun. Simply we can say that verb is a action word. Verb is a action word. Okay. Now, how many verb forms are there in English? So how many verb forms are there in English? There are 4 verb forms. Okay? There are 4 verb forms. Okay? V1, V2, V3, V4. Sorry, V1 plus ing. Okay? V1, V2, V3, V1 plus ing. Okay? This is called present This is called past. This is called past participle. Past participle. And this is called present participle. Present participle. Okay? V1 is present, V2 is past, V3 is past participle, and V1 plus ing is present participle. Okay? Now we will see some examples. Find, found, found, finding, finding. Okay? V1 is find and V2 is found, V3 is found, and V1 plus ing is finding. Okay? See, sa, seeing. Okay? See, sa, seeing. One more example. Happen, happened, happened, happening. So you can ask, what's happening there? So what's happening there? So you can ask, what happened to you? Okay? What happened to you? Like that, you can use, like that, you can use the words. Okay? You can use the words. Okay? Few more examples. So, we will see a few more examples. Sure, showed, showed, showing. Okay? Showing. Show, showed, showing. Okay? Add, added, adding. Okay? Add, added, adding. Okay? Watch, okay? Watching, watching. Okay? Watch, watching. Children, we have completed all these, but we are revising them. Okay? Explain, explained, explained, explaining. Explaining. Okay? Explain, explained, explained, explaining. Okay? Bring, brought. Okay? Brought, brought, bringing. Okay, bringing, bring, brought, bringing. Okay, okay children, we successfully completed our syllabus. Okay, this is all revision part. Okay, please prepare for your OT exam and get good marks. Okay, bye.